For days, hidden parasites tormented the giant grouper, leaving the mighty predator restless, exhausted, and desperate for relief.
Deep beneath tropical waters, an enormous giant grouper waited as a fearless cleaner fish slowly approached.
Instead of attacking, the giant grouper patiently opened its mouth, inviting the tiny cleaner fish closer without fear.
The fearless cleaner fish entered safely, beginning an extraordinary partnership built on trust rather than fear. The tiny cleaner fish carefully removed parasites, while the giant grouper remained perfectly calm, showing remarkable trust together. Even the giant's delicate gills depended upon this tiny helper, proving trust could outweigh pure strength underwater. The careful work was complete, and the tiny cleaner fish safely emerged beside its grateful giant companion. Together they swam peacefully, proving even the ocean's greatest giants sometimes depend upon their smallest, trusted companions. After their remarkable partnership, the giant quietly departed, leaving behind a friendship shaped by nature and mutual trust. Nature reminds us that even the greatest giants sometimes survive because of the smallest partners they choose to trust.